Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a seemingly simple, yet incredibly vital piece of tech. The Diced USB cable data PC cord, specifically designed to be compatible with the Plustek OpticFilm 7600, 7600i, and SE Photo slide and film scanners. For anyone who owns one of these fantastic scanners, a reliable data cable isn't just a convenience. It's an absolute necessity for getting those precious slides and films digitized onto your computer. This isn't just any generic USB cable. The information provided highlights that this Diced cable comes with international quality certification, ensuring it meets top industry standards. That's a big deal when you're talking about transferring important data and connecting sensitive equipment. What truly sets it apart, beyond its primary function, are the numerous safety mechanisms built right in. We're talking about protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. These features provide a significant layer of peace of mind, knowing that your scanner and computer are safeguarded during data transfer. It means you can connect your Plustek scanner and focus on your scanning tasks without worrying about potential electrical mishaps. While its compatibility with the Plustek OpticFilm 7600 series is a major selling point, this cable is also presented as a versatile solution for a broader range of devices. It's described as a USB data cable PC laptop cord suitable for computers, monitors, printers, and various home and office appliances. This versatility means that even if you're primarily getting it for your scanner, it can easily pull double duty as a dependable connection for other peripherals around your workspace. It's always good to have a high-quality, certified cable on hand for various needs. The Diced brand emphasizes that you receive one pack of a high-quality USB data cable PC laptop cord. This focus on quality, backed by certifications and safety features, suggests a product built for durability and consistent performance. In the world of digital imaging, where data integrity is paramount, having a stable and secure connection between your scanner and PC is non-negotiable. This cable aims to provide just that, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted data flow from your scanner to your computer, allowing you to preserve your memories with clarity and precision. It's a foundational component for any serious film and slide digitizer using the compatible Plustek models, offering both performance and crucial protection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.